Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and type services, and from the search results we need to click on services. It will open this window. Then find out performance logs and alerts. Just scroll down and you will get this one. So here it is. Simply select it, then right click on it and select properties. Now from startup type, select automatic, then click on apply and start the services. After that, click on OK and close this window. In the next method, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here msconfig and click on OK. Now it will open system configuration window. Then select boot tab and check this box from boot options, safe boot, then click on apply and then OK. Now press Alt F4 and restart your system. Now we are in safe mode, so here you can see. After that, go to search bar and simply type your device manager, then click here to open it. On this window we need to expand network adapters and right click on this and select uninstall device. Once done, close this window. Again press Windows key plus R key together to open run and open msconfig. Now go to boot tab, uncheck this option and click on apply and then OK. Again restart your system, and now we are in normal mode. Now go to search bar and type in task manager, then click here to open it. On this window, click on run new task, then go to browse button, this PC and open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open System32 folder. In System32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. Just select it and click on open. Now check this box and remember this path: C drive, Windows folder, System32 and cmd.exe. Then click on OK. This will open command prompt window and we need to execute this command carefully. Simply type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time. We need to wait for it. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you are good to go.